for UTV Takeover. This is one of the most fun and insane UTV side-by-side events of all time. Hang out with the Fueled UTV crew as we shred the dunes of Coos Bay. Meet our awesome customers, check out insane competitions, and more. We couldn't have epic adventures like this without you. So thanks for shopping fueledutv.com for all your UTV parts and accessories, and watching our videos.
Day one.
Good job, Jake.
So much work. Whoa.
Jake, longer stakes next time.
Way longer. Probably like 36 inches, at least.
Oh!
Yeah.
Yeah!
That would have been with the...
If you happen to be in the market, this Turbo Pro R is available for sale. You can buy it at the show right now, and I can confirm it's not slow. All right, UTV Takeover day one. Yesterday was just setting up and everything like that, but now we got the booth all ready to go. We're already selling hats and shirts at discounted prices. It's gonna be an awesome day. The weather is improving, sun's out. It's gonna be a good time. There we go.
Big and small, little and tall.
Nice, MTS is doing suspension tunes at the show, so that's convenient. Hi, Fred. Oh my gosh. Hi, Fred. Hanging out in Vender Row is a blast, but we had to break away and test some recent builds, especially Jake's expedition dubbed Project Overland. Yep, it's not new anymore.
We are breaking off the newness quickly. There we go. It's amazing. It's amazing.
It's freaking magic, dude. It's magic. This thing is incredible.
I mean, my Pro R soaks up that stuff really good.
Yeah.
But for this being what it is,
Yeah.
my goodness.
So this brand new Maverick R belongs to our shop manager, Tanner. He brought it out for its debut event, and hopefully I get to ride in this thing very soon. Yeah, that happened. To see an awesome POV ride in the new Maverick R, click the card above or the link in the description. That was close. That Pro R might have had him though, dude. Wheelie and Huck Fest highlights incoming. But first, time for the Fueled UTV crew to have some fun. Well, we're out here to get beauty shots, but sometimes you gotta shoot a recovery instead.
Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Take from me, must be out your mind. Got a sun, smoky in the air, that's a lot of
How's your team to get you a 237-foot wheelie?
So I borrowed a car from John from Pro EFI. First time driving it. Pretty good at wheelies though.
He said I'm pretty good at wheelies though.
The moment I switched from filming to taking photos, this happens. Shout out to Eric Parker for his epic jump and for the UTV Takeover crew for making sure Eric was safe.
That's the best sight to see. When something happens and they come out safe, that's what we want.
144 feet! The man sick with it racing himself! Ready and ready! Woo! Get aboard! You brother, awesome job. We got our NA class champion as well. 11-year-old Dylan!
Well, what an epic week, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Shop Fueled UTV for all your parts and accessories, and we'll see you out on the trail.